Ever wonder if your retirement savings are actually doing their job? Thinking face, are those investments growing as they should be, setting you up for the future you dream of? If you've got a pension with Nutmeg, checking on its progress is actually a lot simpler than you might think. Staying informed about your investments is key to a comfortable retirement, and today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to check your pension growth on Nutmeg. Logging in and finding your pension. First things first, you'll need to log into your Nutmeg account. You can do this easily through their website or the mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This page gives you a great overview of all the investments you hold with them. Look for the section or tile that represents your pension pot. It might be labeled something like Pension, SIPP, or Nutmeg Pension. Give that a click or a tap to dive into the specifics of that account. Understanding the overview. Once you're on your pension's dedicated page, you'll see a snapshot of its performance. The most important figures will be prominently displayed. You'll see your current total pot value. This is the most up-to-date value of your investments. More importantly, for tracking growth, you'll want to look at the performance section. Nutmeg clearly displays your return, that's the money you've made, as both a percentage and a cash amount since you started investing, or over a specific period. This figure is what tells you how much your pension has grown. Digging into the details. To get a clearer picture of your growth over time, you need to look at the charts and graphs. Nutmeg provides really helpful visuals that show the value of your pension fluctuating and growing. You can often filter these charts to see performance over different time frames, the last year, 3 years, or even since inception. Comparing these periods helps you understand the long-term trend of your investment. You can also usually see a breakdown of contributions versus growth. This is really insightful. It clearly separates the money you put in from the money your investments have earned. That growth figure is pure return on your investment, and seeing it climb is a great feeling. What to look for? When checking your growth, remember that investments go up and down. Don't panic about short-term dips. The most crucial thing is the long-term trend. Look for that overall line on the graph heading upwards over several years. Consistent growth, even if slow, is the hallmark of a healthy long-term pension. And that's it. 3 simple steps: log in, select your pension, and review the performance figures and charts. Making this check a regular habit, maybe once a quarter, will keep you informed and motivated about your journey to a secure retirement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.